continue to very popular dataset, that is EAR5, which is a fifth generation dataset, which is globally where you can download a lot of variables like wind, precipitation, humidity, soil moisture, and a lot. Now I will tell you how to download this temperature data. So it's like laying process for daily data, and it's from 1952 up till the date. So it's daily data, and you can find this up to date. They are updating this data daily on the daily basis. You can get exactly the date, like you can have a like today is if 30th January, and you can get the data of 29, 26, 24 January also. So here is the overview of the dataset. This is the reanalyzed dataset provided and consists of evolution, and you can go for this. I will give this dataset link in my description. So we will go for the downloading without wasting the time. And here you can find, let's say, temperature you are interested in, but here I'm interested in the temperature, 2 meter temperature, and I have lakes, snow, and soil moisture, soil water, wind pressure, but I'm interested in the temperature. And now I'm gonna select 1 year and then go for the January, and then I said let's select all the months, and then daily mean, and this is for the, unless I'm interested in the Africa, then Africa is from plus UMT plus -1 to UMT plus 1, and if I am interested in the Pakistan, it will be like +5. So like I gonna select for the UTC 00, and I gonna go for the 1 hourly data. And if you have the exact lat long, you can just sub your region from, like here you have to check in, and then you have to select that. Let's say I gonna for the whole region, or whole world globally, and then here I can show the API. You can get the code from here. If you don't use the code and you are interested in doing like manually, then it will take a lot of time, because you have to select 1 year, and it's not like the whole years, but you have to select 1 year, then month, and then you can go for the download, and it will take a lot of time. So that's why we use the Python too, for our easiness to work and download the data. So for that I use the Anaconda, and then I have a set environment. You have to create your own environment in the set, so that it doesn't save in this bash rule. It should be in your own environment. So from here I have to select on the right button, I have to select click on the right, and then go for the Jupyter notebook. And once the Jupyter notebook on, then I have to go for, like here I have the Jupyter notebook, and then I have to go to file, and then new, and then here I have to go to the Jupyter notebook. So it will open like a local host. And now what I have to do is like to set the environment and these packages, like this CDS package I have to install. So here I will give all these in my description, the links. So you have to go to the Windows, and then here is the description. So what I have to do is to install this package. I have to just write like pip install cdsapi, and then I have to just click on the play button, and it will install. As I have already installed those, so it will write like you have already installed. Yeah, see, I have already installed. You have to like write pip, whereas here that's mentioned that pip 3 if you are using the Python 3. I am not using Python 3, I'm just using Anaconda. So I will write pip install cds API, and like you have to also install this without pip, without this 3. So like this, and just copy paste, and like this, and then it will say it's already installed, because I have already installed all these environments. So after this setup, and now what we have to do is like here you can see like now, and then I go to my profile, and here is my profile. It has been set up by this CDS. I have to sign up on this CDS on the so that I can have on my profile and then download the data. I will give this link also. And then now we have to, what we have to do is like go for this API. We have to this API actually changes, maybe on the weekly basis, on the monthly basis, because they are working on something new. That's why the server is changing. So you have to check for the API when it doesn't work for you, when the data is not downloading. Like now what I have to do is like now see here, now I have to save a file on the name in the name of this .cdsapirc. Like here I will show you like this. Here you can see this dot in a notepad. You have to save the name as cdaspirc. And what you have to do is actually is like you have to copy this key. You have to copy this key, exact key, and this is different for everyone. The key is different for everyone. So you have to copy this key and the paste in the notepad. And you have this copy. You have your own URL and you have on your specific key. So you have to copy that and then you have to paste. And like I will do it like this, paste here. And then you have to save as. You have to write like save as dot CDA like this. You have to see CDASPR and then I have to save as. And then after this save this, I have to take this to I have to copy this and paste in the Anaconda where the Anaconda is installed. Like if I say I have here in my I have installed this Anaconda in my C in the user profile. You can go to user profile and here in my name and particular my name, there is the Anaconda you can see there is here you can Anaconda profile installation packages, all these things. And so what I have to do that is the copy paste that particular file here. Like I have here, I have pasted that. I will show you here. Like see, like here I have pasted CDSAPIRC. So you have to paste it, and then from here now we have to start our work to download using Python. So let's go and start our downloading, and I will go for my script. So here is the script that thanks to script credit goes to Dr. Rukhshindha. She helped me out with this. So what we have to do is like we import this CDS API and then import the OS. Then we have to initialize that to tell the Python this is our CDSI. You have to import it, and then we have to define the parameters. The parameters I will show you here. We have like here the parameters. This you can see here. We have already this in the API we have a request to journey this. So here likewise we have to define the parameters. So here is the data set. This is the data set, and then I have to copy paste here the exact that, and then I have to define the range from where to where I have to download the data. So like from 1950 to like 2025 I have to download data or whatever. If you are working on the climate change, on the climate and weather patterns, you need a lot of temporal. You need a temporal must be the large, not like 5 or 10 years. You must take more than 10 to 15 years. So that's why you need. So just for the check base, I will select just 1 year, like 55. So now here I have the give the the path to save the directory. So what actually do is like let me show you how to take the path. You have to just first click on the folder and then click on just push on the shift and the right click, and you can see the copy as a path. Here you can copy as a path, and then you have to paste it in your script. Here I will show you, like you have to paste it. You can see this slash. This is the forward slash and the backward slash. In the Python you have a difference, backward, and in the Java you have the forward. So you have to change this forward to the backslash, and then you can just put here your desired path, and then you can have the this environment set, and then you will have the particular file will be saved in this particular folder. So I have this one in that will be saved on this, and then I have to create a directory, and then it will create, and then it will save, and I have to give the loop for the years, like it's just first start year and the end year, and then it has to download. So it's like from 1 to 13 years, like it start from the 1 and end at the 12. So that's why. So but I for this I will just go for 1 and 3, like it will download January and February, and at the third month it will not gonna download the it will not gonna download March. It will just download January and February. And then this request parameters, what exact parameters I have to download is like from here we can go for this. See, so what actual variable I have is 2 meter, and then the year and the month and this dates. And here in my profile, like in the script, that I have this reanalysis, and then 2 meter year string, and I have already given the years, so it will take from the year string, and then month string that I have told this these months, about the months, so it will take the month from this string, and then this days. And what actually furthermore I need daily statistics, like daily mean and time zone and the frequency and the area I have. Like I have to extract for the Africa, then these are my late long, then it will be downloaded from there, and the file output be saved as like first this first the name of the variable, and then year, and then the month, and then it will be saved with the NC file, and then I will then retrieve the data from the CDS from here. I will go to my profile, and it will come on the request. So what I gonna do is now is just copy all, and then I have to paste in my this Jupyter notebook. Just that's it, and then just I have to click on display, and it will start to download. If there is something error, then it will show you. And now we can go for our profile, like here in my profile, and you can see the request. It just generated now in the progress. Right now it is in the progress. Right, this is 30th January 2025, and it's in progress. And when the request is done, then here will become the download. I don't need to download it. It is downloading by itself. It's gonna download when this my script is perfectly run, then it will download the data set and will show and display either our work is done correctly or not. Then we have to go to for the grades, and I will show you exactly what I need in my work, and then we will be okay. If they exactly display the parameters and all these things, then we are good to go and work on our analysis. So it will take few time. It's depend on the internet and also on this server of this CDS, because they are working on something new that for the climate scientists they are making this profile, this CDS API exact like to access properly, and many more they are working on that. So it will take a time, and let's say it should be coming in just few minutes in with the download profile. So now it's gonna start downloading, because it's everything going good. So from now here it's gonna start downloading, and let's see. Yeah, see here it's done and it's completed, and now here download. Either I don't need to download it, because I give the script that it has to, I give the instruction to the Python to download it. I don't need to go for single profile to download, click on the download like this. Here I have this all downloaded by Python by itself, so I don't need to be download these. So now it's gonna download very soon, because it's like issue of the server, because they're working on the daily basis, so that the server is a little bit taking time. It's mostly also depend on your internet. So it's done successfully, and then it's going to download the my data set that I have instructed the Python to download, and yeah, it's done. I don't need to go for this like to download here and see it's downloaded. I don't need to download it. Now what I'm gonna do is like I have downloaded the data, and then I have to like to go for it and see whether I have downloaded correctly or not. And I have to go for my grades, and I will open that CD. SD, like I have to open in the grades SDF, open, and I will just drag and drop the that exact that data set, and then I have to enter. Then it's working like great, and then I have to clean file to see this its attributes. And what I have, like here we have, see, I have downloaded this for time set is 31. This mean is for 30 days, and there is a one variable, and also CTL, sorry, CTL. Like now I have to see further more details about my file CTL info, and it will tell me about, you know, is spatial resolution 0.1, and then late long and all these things, and about these variables, and what is like unit meters and all these things. And now I have to display this, like let me see. Actually it's showing me what actually there behind this data set. Then I have to display, like we have to, on the grids we have to display like D, and then write the name of the variable TM2, and let me see it's working or not. Yeah, here you can see. And then you have to like just further shade it to show it a little bit more good, like set gx out, and it will set gx. So now I will do like little bit set gx out shaded, and it like should be display the shaded. I have to clear it, and then I have to like shade it, and now I have to like shade ground it, and it's like first of all I have to clear it, and then shade it, and then display. And you can see this, we have this. Let me just like a C bar, set C bar, sorry, C bar. Yeah, you have see that we can see from here we have this three is here we have the high scale, and here on the lower scale, and then you can do further more analysis with your data set. And that's all for now. Thank you all, and I will give like everything, and put in the description, like the script and all these data set link, and Jupyter and the Anaconda, all these things in the script, sorry, in the description below. In the description, all you have to, first of all you have to download, for the download you have to need to sign up for this one, and I will give you how to I will give you everything in the description. Thank you all.